Hey everyone, it's Wednesday, April 29th, and I'm going to walk you through some of the things that you're going to see today on our calendar. So first thing for math, there is a video for this lesson. If you go to Seesaw, you will see that the equal parts video is right here. It is Mrs. Sander today. She's teaching today's lesson, so don't be alarmed. It's not me. It's Mrs. Sander, and she's going to teach us about equal parts. So I would recommend watching her video first before you do the math pages. Also, the math pages for today are pages 760 and 761. Again, you can just click Add Response and use the camera button over here to add your pictures of your workbook pages. Again, that just helps me keep everything nice and organized so I don't lose anybody's work. You will click the green check mark when you're done. Since I didn't upload anything, I'm not going to do that. Back at our calendar for reading, there is a character traits activity I would like you to complete that goes along with the story of Velma Gratch and the Way Cool Butterfly. We did talk about character traits early on this year, so your student might need a refresher. So if you click on the slide, it'll bring you to slide 4 about character traits. And character traits are just words that describes what the character is like or their personality. So I will go ahead and read these words to your student before you read the story again or before you answer the questions again. Also, if you need to listen to the story, again, you can go back to Monday and click on this link and it'll bring you to my YouTube page where I have read the story. I did not link it into Seesaw today, so you will not find the story again in Seesaw, but you can access it over here through this link via YouTube. What I did add in Seesaw for this activity is the picture of the page in the packet. So this is what the page in the packet looks like. It's labeled with today's date at the top. I wrote the evidence from the text. I want you to write what character trait is reflected, okay? So I kind of did the hard part. All I want the students to do is to say what kind of character trait she is showing. You can also click Add Response and take give me 1 second. That didn't work how I wanted it to. You can take a photo of your work and turn it in that way. Sorry, I'm scrolling back and forth here. Or again, take a picture of it and send it to me. I'm going to, after I do this video, I'm going to go back and add this paper in there. I was going to say, if you want to use the text box feature and just put the character trait using a text box in here, you can do that too, and you won't even have to write anything on your packet. But do what's easiest for you and your student. I know everybody kind of has their own way of doing things, and that's perfectly fine. The next thing on our calendar is Toothy today for reflexive pronouns. So again, we're going to go in here. Where is my Toothy? Here we are. Remember not to click Add Response. You're just going to click on this picture over here. Then you're going to hit View Google Doc. And then you are going to click the Present button. And then it'll show up for you. Okay. And then we click on the tooth to continue. You can read the sentence and put the correct reflexive pronoun in the that fits the sentence. So this says Jane gave blank a cookie. Jane would be referring to herself. And if you get it right, you get a tooth in the mouth, and you keep going through all the slides. Again, I know some people had some issues last week. The only thing I could think of is it's not opening in Google Slides for you. Maybe it's opening in PowerPoint. I'm not sure. If that happens, don't worry. It's okay. This is just kind of a fun way to review the skill. So don't worry if it's not quite working right for you. Okay? Again, if you want to click Add Response, it's not going to record your answers, but you can just type a note and tell me that you finished it. That's fine. I don't really grade, that assignment because it doesn't record your students' work. And then lastly today, there is a Raz Kids. If you click on the blue words down here, it'll take you right to Raz Kids, or if you're in Seesaw, you can click on the activity in Seesaw and it'll take you as well to Raz Kids. So that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoy your Wednesday.